Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making kimchi fried rice. We need to start with the paste, so 2 cloves of garlic into a mini chopper, along with a third of a cup of cubed radish kimchi, and for a little bit more spice, 2 tablespoons of gochujang. We're just going to whip this up into a thick, chunky paste. Over on the stove, we're going to heat up a large flat bottom pan, adding 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil. Add in a third of a pound of ground pork and cook this until it's almost cooked all the way through before adding in a half cup of cabbage kimchi. You want an overripe one. And we want to chop this up using some kitchen shears, clean ones please. We're going to cook that for about 2 minutes, going in and chopping this up into bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to add in 3 cups of leftover rice and the juice that was left in the kimchi jar, along with a third of a cup of water. We'll start breaking this up and adding in our radish kimchi gochujang mix as well. We're going to let this cook for about 7 minutes, breaking down our rice and making it flat because we want a nice crispy bottom. So now this is flat. We're going to drizzle in another tablespoon of toasted sesame oil around the edge so it gets underneath. Because I'm being lazy, using kitchen shears again to cut in 2 scallions about 2 inches long. Then we're going to sprinkle generously with some mozzarella cheese and some roasted gim. As much or as little as you like, cover that up till the cheese melts, and voila! Now let's go ahead and give this a little taste. And we need a cheese pull, of course. The rice is crispy on the bottom, savory. You get the kimchi throughout. You get the savoriness from the pork. You get the gorgeous cheese in this, and savoriness from the roasted gim, the seaweed. This is delicious, easy, and so delicious. But there it is, kimchi fried rice. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you for spending time with me again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.